So we're going to kick off the first tip now, Jake. We're going to go over the bug out bag and what's in it, and can you show our viewers what's in it and give them a bit of rundown on, you know, how to use some of the things in it and
Sure,
go from
I'm
there?
excited to have a look at it. Well, I'm pretty excited to check out this bug out bag from Survival Supplies Australia straight away. The bag feels really, really sturdy. Lots of areas where you can attach different things if you wanted to from the front on the arms. I love the way it's a bit like a dry bag, which apparently these are waterproof. You can roll it out. It's much like a dry bag where you'd put your books or some of your food if you're out surviving or just out camping. Let's see what we got. All-weather survival blanket. These things are fantastic. So it's windproof, waterproof, and reflects heat. I've actually had some personal experience with one of these very products. What a good size little first aid kit. I like a first aid kit with a little bit of space in it so you can customise it to yourself. You might have different needs, medication. All right, well, you wouldn't lose that in the bush, would you? Here we've got Mayday emergency food rations, and this is really, really heavy and really dense, so I guess you've got yourself a meal here which is covering all your nutritional needs there, your vitamins and minerals, macronutrients, your fats, your protein, your carbs. Nice one. Oh, beauty, a little Moroccan knife. Yeah, that'd be my recommendation as well. Really good, handy little knife, affordable, really, really rugged. So I've given mine an absolute flogging since I got it from Survival Supplies Australia about a year ago. I'd say it's at least 3/4 tang. I'd need X-ray vision to be able to see through there, meaning that the steel goes right through there. Usually there'll be full tang, which is good because you're not going to have your knife come loose. Also the nice flat edge there in case we need to batten things to crack open some firewood and split it up. Purify emergency drinking water, long-term shelf life, store up to 20 years. A lot of people, when they talk about bug out bags, they make sure that they've got like tens of litres of water, and that might not be a bad idea if you needed to get through and find some water. It might get you through until you do, but at the end of the day, if you're having to go and survive out in the scrub, you've either got water or you don't.